Alright, so welcome to Pbteck, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can actually format your Startimes decoder. Maybe you're having a problem on your decoder and you would like to actually format it to check whether that will solve the problem that you're experiencing on your decoder at the moment. So all you got to do is to press on the menu button, that's the N symbol on your remote. So after pressing on it here, you need to press on the volume down or the left arrow button to actually shift it to the other side, and you look for settings, press OK on it, and then you come down to the decoder information over here, press OK on it, and as you can see down the screen you have the restore default settings, so you have to press OK on it, and you have to confirm or key in the default pin or the password of your decoder, which have to be zeros if no one have changed it. Alright, so you have to key in zeros over there. Alright, you press OK to actually proceed and you are done with it. So here all you got to do is to select your preferred language, because everything on your decoder is gone. You have to do the right setup to get back your channel. So select your preferred language and then select your country of residence. Alright, wherever you are living right now, just select that country and you press OK on it, and then come to the auto search to actually let it scan. Wait for you to complete scanning before you proceed with whatever you are doing. Alright, so after the search, you're gonna get back your channel, so any problem that you are experiencing, you can check whether you are still experiencing the same problem on your decoder. If you find this video helpful and you're new here, all you got to do is subscribe and hit the bell icon. You lose absolutely nothing but subscribing. Thanks for watching.